But let's tell you how Dalal Street stacked up in trade today. My colleague Tanya Khosla joining us to tell us about that. Tanya, you got 60 seconds.
Well, yes, finally something to cheer for the markets as they close almost 0.5% higher from the session's lows. If you look at the Nifty, it almost regained the 9750 level, while the Sensex stood above 31,200. If you look at, what led the rally, well, of course, it was financials all across, and that too only in the last 1 hour. The broader markets as well have outpaced the benchmarks. The small cap index was up almost 1% after all the carnage that we saw over the past week. Now, the realty, pharma and private bank stocks were the main performers, the best performers, while IT continued to decline for the 5th straight session. Nifty Bank, as well as I mentioned to you, financials gained in the last 1 hour. So Nifty Bank gained almost 2% from the day's low. It closed finally above that key crucial 24,000 mark. The stocks that were in focus in today's trade, of course, infra stocks, stole all the limelight. Sadbhav, IRB, MEP, all of these stocks were up almost 8 to 10% in trade after Jefferies came out with a report saying that, the Q2 performance will be very strong given the healthy execution rate. HOEC as well, very smart commentary coming in from the management, led to the 10% gains that we saw on the stock and the volumes at about 4 times the last 5-day average. ACC is being excluded from the Nifty tomorrow. However, it was the top gainer on the index today. It was up almost 4%, while if you look at Asian Paints, it continued its declines for the 8th straight session, the top loser on the Nifty. The volumes as well stood at a whopping 2.8 times the last 8-day average.